Going away, not coming away.
Eh, mga baba. After the babae na rest house, yung isang rest house, lahat tsaka kapak. Eh, nagdilig sila kagabi. Video kagabi kasi sobrang sakit ng puson ko. We will see you in 1 week, say like that.
Me all now I see you dancing with somebody. I wanna see where this goes. I need a light to see home, and I want you to know sunshine.
Hi guys! Good morning! Good afternoon na pala. Good afternoon! May dimples, may pimples na ako oh. Kasi sobrang puyat at pagod tsaka stress. Good afternoon guys, nangitim na kami lahat. Ayan si Yazi. Kasi na naman sunroof. Ay nako, lalabas kami ngayon. Dito kami sa baba ng bahay. Baba ng building. Init! Susunduin namin sila Bianan tsaka yung hipag ko doon sa rest house. Dahil kagabi nandoon kami. Pero umuwi kami kasi nga hindi ako makatulog doon kasi wala akong dalang. Umuwi kami ng bahay. Ngayon, dadaanan namin sila. Kukunin namin sila kasi iatid na namin sila Bianan sa terminal ng bus. Kasi uwi na sila, pauwi na sila ng village. So, ang dalawang to nasa sunroof. Ayan. Ang init-init eh. Nangitim na sila. Sobrang init. Hi, Baba.
Hello.
Say hi to my vlog.
Tiring Turkey.
So much tired. Every day you're outside. Walang pahinga, guys. Sobrang sobrang pagod yung katawang lupa namin. Since dumating kami nung when we come? 3, right? July 3.
Yeah, since we come, we are moving.
Yeah, since July 3. Hindi, July 3 ng gabi kami dumating. So since July 4, pagdating namin, ayun, busy na kami. Asan? Pa namin halos nabili lahat yung kailangan namin sa bahay. Ayun, saka ko na kayo i-house tour sa bahay namin. So anyway, lalabas kami mamaya pagkahatid namin kila Bianan. Magtitingin na naman kami ng mga kailangan pa, kulang pa sa bahay. So, see you guys later!
Which one? Don't play with those items. When it's closing, this one is pushing down. It might be broke. Don't hold that one.
Bumaba ako guys. Kasi bibili ako ng Sour Patch. Punta ako ng market. Ito yung pinapabili ni Yamo, Sour Patch. Tsaka, saan yung chewing gum niya? Wala dito. Yung lang. 4 na piraso lang na Sour Patch yung binili ko. Ayan. 4 na piraso. Ang bill ko ay 95 tele. Almost 100 tele. Guys, 4 na Sour Patch. So, yun lang naman.
Why didn't you just put it from here or from there?
Turn the radio on, it's Friday night and it won't be long. Nandito na kami sa rest house. Will you park here? Ayan yung bahay.
Close the road.
Ayan yung view dito sa labas.
Yavrum şimdi çarşıya geri gideceğiz. Niye gidiyoruz? Gel hadi. İyi hadi.
Sir yan mga baba. Kaya tayo sa rest house. This is my BNN. Umulan ng malakas nung nakaraan. Tingnan nyo, nasira yung mga tanim. Oh. Naalala nyo tong bahay na to guys, nung nakaraan. Last year na video ko dito, hindi pa to tapos. Ngayon pa lang natapos. Ano to, sa kapatid niyang babae na rest house. Yung isang rest house na binibideo ko is, ayun, ito magkatabi lang sila. Hindi to, sa kabila. Sa taas, hindi nyo makita. Doon, yung isang rest house. Natatakpan kasi. Meron din silang tanim eh. May tanim din siyang kamatis. Tsaka kabak. Ayan na, nagdilig sila kagabi. Nandito kami kagabi. Yung mga kamatis pero hindi pa ready. Tapos yun, ewan ko kung anong prutas yung mga yan. Meron din siyang tanim na mais. Ilang piraso. Ayan. Tapos na tong bahay. Nung last year, hindi pa to tapos. Ginagawa pa lang, bilis nilang tinapos. They are still sleeping?
I don't think so.
Ayan, pasok tayo sa loob. Pagpasok mo, ito.
Yeah, that's the car.
Hindi ako nag-video kagabi kasi sobrang sakit ng puson ko. Yeah. Last night you play?
Yeah.
Okay,
No,
go.
last time we played.
Tama nga, go. Good night, then. Ano, nerede? Ito yung sitting room, tsaka ang ganda ng ano, di ba? Ang ganda ng view dito. Ayan, oh, ang ganda ng view, di ba? Ang ganda ng view. Yeah, it's so nice the view, right, Yazi? You like the view here?
Yeah, when we were driving, even it was so nice.
Yeah, it was so nice. Huh? That's... Ah, di ba? Ag na babaan na yan, kiss. We will see you in 1 week, say like that. Uuwi na si Lola. Dito kami sa bus terminal. Ayan. Atid namin si Bianan kasi magbabas lang sila. Hindi namin sila may hatid. Susunduin na lang siya. Yoruldu mu anne? Yoruldu. Şundan mı? Baba?
Bizim karnı çekilmez.
Karın mı? Baba mı?
What happened?
Baba go toilet.
I know. Maybe he can. Anne, jag har något annat. Very deep.
İyi oldu yerleri biliyor musun en önde? Hadi Allah'a emanet olun. Güle güle gidin. İyi oldu aç yollamadığımız abi ya. Bye bye. Ah, it's good. It's there in front. Yeah. Ayun, umalis na yung bus. Yun sinakyan nila Baba and Anne. Kami naman ngayon ang lalarga. Kami sa bus station. Parang mukhang uulan guys. Ang dami pa namin gagawin. Magtitingin pa kami ng vacuum. 3 araw na kami nagtitingin ng vacuum. Hindi pa kami nakakabili. Mukhang uulan. It look like it will rain.
Yeah, because the clouds are done.
Yeah. Look ni Asi. Tingnan niyo si Asi. Oo.
Come out, it's raining.
Yeah? Yeah.
Rainbow house.
Rainbow house? Yeah.
The other name is rain.
Yeah.
That's not raining. What happened?
The bus is coming. Yeah. Metro. Nandito kami sa ano. Bus stop. Bus station. Ay. Ito magkapatid. Oh. Magkuya. Ay, nako. Punta pa kami sa city. Umakyat kami sa bahay guys. Dapat pupunta kami ng city. Pero dumating yung naggagawa ng bintana. Kasi pinalagyan namin to ng screen. Ito nakikita nyo. Kasi pumapasok yung mga lamok, mga langaw pag tanghali. Diba dapat nakabukas yung bintana. Kasi maganda yung hangin. Ayan, pinalagyan namin siya ng screen. Ayan. I-slide mo lang. Tapos kapag i-close na ganyan. Ito yung bintana. Oh.
For your information, about this one also opening.
What?
We don't know also before.
Oh, it's opening also?
Look,
Oh.
it's also opening. Before I don't know, just now he told me.
But it's opening.
Yeah.
Maybe the windows and the middles?
No, only this one I think. It's opening and closing, but no handle. Handle is here. It's
Yeah.
only here.
But I'm making my...
I don't know why they don't put the handle here also.
Yeah.
I don't understand.
Yeah, it's opening. Now it's nice.
Yeah, you can leave the now window open so snake will not come. I mean,
How about our bedroom? Snake screen.
He
You
fixed it
fix
already.
it? It's
Yeah.
nice?
Yes, yes.
It's working nice now?
Yes.
The kids room also. Yeah. It's locking, right? No, it's okay. I will leave it open for a while.
It will not rain again. Yeah, you
I
can
think
go.
so because the rain stopped already. Also our bedroom.
Our bedroom also. Bro.
It's not the... What happened? Why is stuck?
He changed the lock.
Ah, the lock only.
Lock was damaged. He changed the lock only.